Welcome to my channel, Elena World. I invite you to watch a video on how to make this charming peony wreath. And please support my channel, subscribe and follow and comment because it's my new channel. And I want to tell there about handmade because I like making from plant different stuff like a wreath, a bouquet, other Ukrainian traditional decoration, and also there you can find different information about me, about Ukraine and traveling. I also have Ukrainian channel. If you're interested, I share the link with it. So please start to watch how to make this amazing wreath. For this, you'll need following materials: synthetic white and pink pine flowers with a diameter of 10 or 12 centimeter, smaller pink flower, and various leaves and flower clusters. And also need wire, ribbon, glue, and sketchers. First, we will sort the flower and other greenery for this wreath and measure out the required number of flowers and greenery based on the wire's length. And the wires should be stiff enough, not to bend. It's so important, and because it need hold it the oval shape of wreath on the head properly, so it should be enough. About length of the wire, so it should be not for all length of head. I usually measured from end of one ear to the end other ear. It's all usually is about 42 or 46 centimeters. But if your head much bigger, you should do length of the wire, of course, more less. So the first step after we measured the length of wire must be we wrapped our wire by tape. It's neat for that our wire doesn't sliding. I don't know how pronounce this, because our coverage of wire is not so good for working, and our tape make is better. Then we need to work with glue and other tape, color tape, as in my case it's pink tape, and the thick of this tape should be about 1 centimeter. It can be half of centimeter, about 1, and we fix it in the end. Wrap it first steps our wrap about 10 centimeter, and then put it our beautiful, amazing pines, leaves, other stuff which you have. But we also need to think how to put it in this. First, the blooming should be bigger, then should be leaves, fixed leaves. Other stuff you should fix it to fix it separately. Wrap it each part of this pink tape, and we shouldn't cut this ending so close to the blooming. We need to trim the long stems of the flower right away and leave them at the base of their thicker and more stable. And we continue adding other flowers, sprigs of greenery and blossom along the wreath outline. One large flower and then two small flower, other color, and by step from the end of our wreath. We glue each detail in place and wrap it with ribbon 2 or 3 times, then pull the ribbon tight and holding it with a finger so the glue sets. It's make it much property. If the base has become too long from adding materials, you need to trim it right now. And also very important to look at the wreath from the different angle. Each time to check that everything is symmetrical if your materials, because when you work you can watch it correctly and put our different stuff random and forget for our symmetrical, and you need to always check it. But really, there is nothing difficult to do it, to be sure. The main thing is not to be afraid, to be careful with the hot glue, and to have patience for make it. But if you don't want to do it, one order is like this wreath, you can write me in my Instagram page. I left it below the video. And we can decide it which one you want, and I make it for you. So finishing the wreath is never simple because you need to decorate it proportionally on all sides and wrap it nicely with ribbon so that neither the glue nor the wires are visible. And then we make a fixed ribbon and at the end of the head in matching color, threading it through the holes and simply tying it into a bow. Of course, wearing on your head before. And for a more attractive view of this wreaths or crows, we need to put there additional ribbons, colored ribbons. In my case, it's light pink and white ribbons, which will hang on front of you or behind of you. It's up to you. How do you want it? And enjoy by yourself. Believe me, every woman who wears a wreath feels so female and the most beautiful, because this accessory gives us more confident and I said more desired woman. It's my observing, because I often take a part in fairs. Every woman wears my wreath and they are happy, they are smiling, and woman like a bloom has very attractive looks. So I invite you to my Instagram page if you want to order, and ask you to support my channel. You know what to do. Subscribe, following, comments, and if you want you can also donate. And see you next time.